Happy holidays, everyone. This is Jessica Lynn of Jessica Lynn Original Studios. And today I thought, you know what? I want to showcase this brand new digital image that I created. And it is this adorable Old English sheepdog. I think he is just so adorable. I hope you love him. So I thought today, let's go ahead and color him up. We're going to go ahead and turn him into a very simplistic card. For the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop, which is a huge event that's going on right now. If you love card making, be sure to go and take a look out on our blog, and I'll put the link to that down below so that you can go ahead and take a look at their blog. Lots of great prizes to be had, so way worth it. This adorable new image, it is an Old English sheepdog. So if you've never seen one before, maybe you've seen the movie Labyrinth. In Labyrinth, there is an adorable one of these that Sarah owns. And that's where Sir Didymus, which is the little fox, he actually rides on an Old English sheepdog. And I thought, you know what, let's make him all festive. So I threw a big old Christmas hat on him and a really pretty bow. And now we're going to go ahead and color this in with Copic markers. I absolutely adore using digital images. What I like about them is that I'm very impatient when it comes to card making. I don't know about you, but I am. And so I really like being able to see an image that I love, go and download it right away and start crafting with it. Now, as the owner of the company and the person who drew this, what I'm going to tell you is that all of our digital stamps are for your personal use only. So if you're going to make cards for Christmas, by all means, please go and make them. If you are going to sell some of these at the craft show, please go ahead and use our image to do that. We just ask that you don't use it for like mass production, stuff like that. So don't turn it into t-shirts, hats, stickers, whatever. We do copyright all of our imagery, so we just ask that you please respect that. But I think it's a ton of fun for you to go ahead and make cards with this. And the other thing that's nice about a digital is that you can print them as large as you need them. So I have seen teachers actually purchase my digital images before and print them out huge where they could piece them together on multiple sheets of paper and use them for their door frames. I've seen families print them out on larger pieces and use them for the kids to color. If you own an Old English, I mean, how fun would that be to make your Christmas cards this way? I do plan on launching more, so be sure to go ahead and follow us here or subscribe to our channel. There's a red icon that you see down in the bottom right hand side that says subscribe if you're looking on your computer or phone, etc. If you're on a TV, it may just look like the word subscribe below. So just go ahead and click on that, and then anytime we upload a new video, you will be notified when you're logged onto YouTube. We are working, like I said, on building up our YouTube channel. So this year we are hoping for 3,000 subscribers, and I would love for you to be one of them. I am so excited with this. I think he is looking so cute, and the trick to the Copic markers truly is building up layers of color. So that's why I started with a lighter gray, and now we're building it up. So let's go ahead and finish coloring, and then when we're done, we will go ahead and turn this into a very easy to make card. And as you can see, I was feeling all festive, so I threw some Christmas lights in there as well. Now with the greens, again, I always start with a lighter green because once you go too dark, you can't go backwards. So start with a lighter shade, do your shadows in a similar color, and I find that you get such a richer experience using the Copic markers. And then sometimes if I want some more dramatic shading, I will actually go in and use some grays and blacks because that will additionally bring out some contrast in this pup. Now, one of the things I love to do, and this is my little tip, I do love the white border around it. The other thing that I've been liking lately, especially when I'm doing cards that are about winter or snow, I always think outlining it with a very light blue, just like what you're seeing here, makes it almost feel like where he is cold. If that makes any sense, I don't know. I just think it's one of those things that just sort of brings that off the paper a little bit and really kind of grounds him in the world. And I think he's so adorable. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I think it's the Christmas hat. We have a Christmas hat that we always put on our dog too, so it's kind of fun to see that. Now, normally, you know me, I'd pull out my brother's Scan and Cut and I would use that, but I've been really trying to focus on more fussy cutting, because I do have a lot of people that say, well, what if I don't have that? And that's okay. By all means, scissors do work, right? I mean, one of those things that I love about the Brothers Scan and Cut is that it does the work for me. But sometimes, you know, for a simple cut like this, maybe it takes me longer to pull the machine out and do all that than it would just to pull out the scissors. So there's no right or wrong. It really just depends on your situation and what you're crafting at the time. Now what I'm going to be doing is creating a card, and I found some really fun cardstock that we're going to put this on, and I found really pretty Christmas ornament paper, and then I think I might put some green behind him and just sort of make the pup sort of pop. So, and I was playing around with lighting because I've been trying to decide what background to use on my videos, and sometimes I get a weird glare off the little mat that I have because underneath that I actually have glass, and so I used to use it with the glass, and then that gave a really bad glare. So anyway, stop doing that. So we're gonna go ahead and start creating this card. I did not create this set of stamps. I actually found these online, so I downloaded them and printed them off. It has all kinds of little coffee things. Again, I'm going to use this card for the Coffee Lovers blog hop, so I wanted to make sure I incorporated that. But maybe it's not necessarily a cappuccino or a hot chocolate or a coffee. Maybe it's a puppuccino, which, I mean, I actually took my dog with me to Starbucks, and not sponsored, just we went. And when we went, I decided to get him his own little dog cappuccino thing, or whatever, the little puppuccino. And I don't know what they put in that, but I will tell you, he is probably just as addicted as I think I am to whatever they put in those cups. So, good stuff. Now, I did handwrite puppuccino just using a black ink pen. Super simple, nothing super fancy, and the cup of puppuccino is going to just sit right next to him, so that will be adorable. I absolutely love this paper. So once it's all attached, we're actually going to start kind of creating the card itself. And it just as a reminder, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. My goal is 3,000 by the end of this year, and I would love for you to be one of those 3,000. I think if we can get there, maybe we'll have to do something fun. So please subscribe, costs nothing. Please share this video out. Encourage your friends to come and subscribe as well. I call it my creative adventures, and that is because I love going to Disney World and on trips and travel things. I love creating cards. I love being able to hand draw all of this amazing art that I can share with you. So I would love for you to come back. I would love for your friends to come back and help build out our community. It means the world to me. So you can see we're just going ahead and put him on there. There we go. We're going to put the little puppuccino right next to him. And I'm going to leave room on top because I'm not sure what sentiment I want to put on. Maybe I'll put something later. I have had a couple of people ask me, I wear this little pink bracelet. During COVID, I was home with my children quite a bit, and so we got very, very close, and so my kids have been just very sad, and we've all kind of missed each other a lot. And so my husband, myself, and my kids, we all have this same little matching bracelet that they made, and then on it, there's actually 2 little hearts. And that's so we're always carrying them with us, so. Well, I hope you enjoyed my card, and I hope that it inspired you. I hope that you will come back and join us again. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe. I did put up 2 more videos for you. And again, my name is Jessica Lynn, and I'm the owner and artist of JessicaLynnOriginal.com. We'll see you again real soon. Happy holidays!